What if I told you that your success in 2025 depends on just 3 lessons from Elon Musk? And no, it's not about working 120-hour weeks. Lesson 1, Speed over perfection. Most people wait for the perfect moment. Musk? He launches, then fixes mid-flight. SpaceX rockets explode, but they learn 10x faster. In 2025, speed beats perfection. Launch now, improve later. Lesson 2, First principles thinking. Most think in limitations, Musk thinks in fundamentals. Why are electric cars expensive? Batteries. So he reinvented them. In 2025, stop following assumptions, question everything. Lesson 3, Relentless execution. 99% plan, 1% execute. That's why most fail. Musk? 99% execution. You don't need another course, you need action. In 2025, do more, plan less. Which lesson hit you hardest? Drop a comment and start executing now.